Welcome back to another Vahrenberg Implement Product Informational Series video, and today we're here with the Massey Ferguson GC1725M, and we have installed the solenoid third function kit. We did an earlier video on this, but we didn't have a grapple that was available, so this is a supplement to that video. This is the Worksaver SCG48S. This is a 48-inch grapple with skid steer quick attach. The Massey Ferguson GC series comes standard equipment with the FL loader with skid steer quick attach, so it matches up to any of these skid steer implements. You can see it fits perfectly on the back of this Worksaver SCG48S. This is a 48-inch grapple. It's a lightweight grapple that allows you to get more lifting capacity because of the lighter weight of the implement. It's still heavy enough to do everything. We've been selling quite a few of these and they're working great. It's a single cylinder root style grapple that allows you to pick up stuff, and we're going to show you how this third function kit works on the tractor. We're going to jump up here and we're going to fire up the GC1725. We've got the bucket up there in front. This tractor was just sold and we're getting ready to deliver it. With the standard grapple, with the standard loader, you're going to raise up and down by pulling back to raise, push to lower. And you remember, you have float position with the GC series factory joystick. Up and down. Left is going to be your curl, right is going to be your dump. With the solenoid third function kit, you have a trigger back here. When we push the trigger, we'll get this, see if we can get everything. Push the trigger, it's going to open or close the grapple. As soon as I release that trigger, it goes instantaneously back to the curl and dump feature. Push the button, open it, curl back, curl down. Grapple close, release it. You can see it all happening there. It's a nice tool to add to your arsenal. We're going to jump off the seat, show you the grapple. It comes with a parking stand that you can raise. This is in the open position. Folded max open. But it makes a great little package, man. If you got brush in your yard, you need to add the third function in grapple. Hope that helped you learn how the solenoid third function kit instantaneously can switch between the third function for your loader, for your grapple valve or 4-in-1 bucket. You've got quick disconnects right here that hooks into the factory third function kit. This is the kit available from Massey Ferguson. Any Massey Ferguson dealer can get this through either AGCO parts or the whole goods side of the business, accessory, where we order tractors and stuff. So your dealer can find this. Go visit your local dealer. If you're in West Central Missouri, you come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson dealer that's here to help you, teach you, so you get the most out of your hard-earned dollars. Check out the Massey Ferguson GC1725M or the GC1723E. Either one of them can be fitted with this kit and a grapple to make your tractor do more and take it places you never imagined that you'd want to do. If you're in Higginsville, Missouri, come visit us on Business 13 and Missouri 13 Highway here in Higginsville, Missouri. We've got tractors. Our inventory is dwindling back down again. We are selling the heck out of stuff this year. Can't keep it in inventory. We are working our tails off to find you the inventory. We're working to go into other dealers, doing our best to find exactly what you're looking for. Visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer. Visit Vahrenberg Implement in West Central Missouri. Get more, do more. Just get you a Massey Ferguson.